We live our lives with guilt on our minds, repeat our mistakes, so how many times? And it's a long way down from here. We can see it in the way we face our
So first, you start with wet hair and you part it in the middle, and then you just braid it on each side. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to be sleeping on it anyways.
There's a time when we walk, a time when we stand. We try so hard to meet the demand. And it's a long way down from here. We can see it in the way we face our fears. And so we give it away. This right, not that I can end this right. Not that we could do this on our own. We built ourselves out the rocks in the sea.
And I'm going to be hairspraying my hair with the Suave Max Hold hairspray, and just only 2 sprays, so then it won't be crunchy and it will be natural looking.
It's a long way down from here. We can see it in the way we face our fears.
And after a good night's sleep, I just woke up and I took off my elastics and tearing each piece like one by one. So yeah. And the only way I style this hairstyle is by twisting my bangs to the back and bobby pinning it and then putting a bow. So look nice and it can spice up your outfit.
Now, we can make it all right now. 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 We can make this right. Think that we can end. We can make this right. But we can't.
And that's the end result. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
We can make